Hi guys, my name is Allie and we're here at the Blue Tin in Morris, Illinois, and we are introducing the next video for US Classic Muscle Cars.
It was in the barn find section.
The idea of the money burning out of my wallet came into my head about...
Did I say it right? Nope. All right, so how many horsepower does the car have?
I'm going to call it somewhere around 330.
My name is Nick. I have this 1968 Camaro. I've had it for about 10 years. It's been in the process of being restored. I restore it as the money becomes available, so finally we got it out. This is the first night it's ever been out. It has mostly original appearing. There's a lot of things that have been repaired and replaced on it, but for the most part it turned out better than I have ever expected. We're going to put a different intake in it and give it a little more horsepower. 365 horse. It has a 410 rear end in it, automatic transmission.
Where did you find the car?
Found the car in Chicago. It was on eBay and actually bought it on eBay. I wouldn't recommend doing that. There was an awful lot of rust when I got it, and most of the panels on the entire car have been repaired or replaced.
How long did it take to get it back to the condition that we see it in now?
It's been 10 years since, as money becomes available, I've done some restoration on it, but I had a shop do it, and the guy who did it does a phenomenal job, I think.
You want to give a shout out to them or?
Yeah, thanks to Dave Ansel, Bob Ansel, in his memory. Bob started it, and Bob passed away, so Dave took the restoration over, and I think he did a phenomenal job. The interior was done by Dave Schober up by Yorkville. He's a professional hot rod interior builder, and I think he did a beautiful job.
Right. So what was the color of the car when you got it?
The color originally was yellow. Butternut was actually the name. It was a butternut car when I got it. The butternut, like a squash.
And then what? So are you all done? Are you completed?
It is done.
There you go. You get to enjoy it, right?
Yes.
Do you think you're going to get a trophy before the end of the season?
I don't know. I see an awful lot of beautiful cars out, and I'm hoping it's done to perfection, but you never know what the judges will think.
Why don't we take a look at the engine?
Okay.
So what are we looking at here?
350 Chevy engine. It's been bored out to a 355 and has a little cam in it. It's about 365 horsepower. Headers, power steering, power brakes. It's just a small 650 Holley carburetor, and it does have cowl induction. It's not hooked up yet, but this winter it'll have the cowl induction hooked up.
Cool, look at that. And then how's the car to drive?
Better than I would have thought. It drives. The power steering is it's easier than my daily driver car. Power brakes are great, and it rides real smooth.
There you go.
A lot of fun.
Now, do you let your better half drive it?
She will be driving it, but she says I have to put the first scratch on it before that's going to happen.
There you go. And then, so just you have to build a trophy room. That's about it, right?
Hopefully that's all I need to do.
Just don't scratch the car with the trophy, right?
Right. Thanks for watching.